Hello, I'm Tracy and I am going to be making a bit of an interesting dish today. I've decided to really emphasize some of the functions and modes of your TM6. I'm going to be using the sous vide mode, the high heat mode, as well as the thickening mode. So for my celebration dish, I've decided to do something a little bit out of the box. I'm going to be doing a sous vide salt and pepper lamb rib with a prawn head hollandaise, a really herby pan grattato and a soft herb salad. So the reason this dish means celebration to me, it's very simple, but my family loved lamb. We always fight over who's going to have the last little bone to chew on. It was always something, a fond memory of my mother's, of her always chewing on a lamb bone. And so this dish means celebration to me because we can all get together and share good food and good company. And I'm so pleased that I can now show you how to make a dish like this together in your Thermomix. For the pan grattato, it's really going to bring in a lot of flavours for this dish, and it's really going to help with texture and just really bringing this dish together. I'm going to make a really simple salad dressing that's going to go on top of the herbs. It's going to complement this dish so well and bring all those flavours together. So with the prawn head hollandaise, I know it's something that you probably wouldn't really hear about, but it's something that's really easy to make in your Thermomix with your thicken mode. You're going to really balance out the flavours of the lamb and the soft herb salad. So I'm going to really emphasise the sous vide mode for this dish. So my salt and pepper lamb ribs are going to be cooked at 78 degrees for 6 hours, and they're just going to fall off the bone just beautifully. I hope this dish of salt and pepper lamb ribs, prawn head hollandaise and soft herb salad has really shown you how you can make amazing food in your Thermomix. You'll be amazed at the restaurant quality dishes you can make in your Thermomix. So when it comes time to celebrating with the people that you love, you can cook with confidence.